morning, everybody. We are on our way to the beach because we had to leave late because Lily had a doctor's appointment. You know, my sister Lily. Say hi. So it's 10:03. Not you, Mom, but say hi still. It's 10:03. We're not at the beach yet. We'll be there soon, though. Don't worry, guys. Chloe's trying to choke me, and we'll be at the beach soon, guys. Hi, everybody. We are at the beach. Say hi.
Hi.
We went swimming, and we are walking to the rocks. It smells so bad over here, and there's a guy in a Speedo over there. That's actually the funniest thing in my life. And what else? We ate a cheeseburger for lunch. Chloe being dramatic. Wait, what if that guy killed us? But yeah, so we're walking to the rocks, and we're gonna take some pictures. Guys, there's the guy with the Speedo. Oh my Lord, are you kidding? Buddy, we are climbing up the rocks. Oh, Chloe, which one do I do next? Oh my God, guys, this is actually so scary. Here's Chloe. You can be in the vlog, Chloe, but you can't take my camera. Oh my God, stop. Hi.
Hi, sister.
So everybody, we are going for a little walk. Look at how pretty the view is. Although it smells like ass over here. It smells so bad. Chloe, are you coming? But it smells so bad, but we're walking. Aw, Chloe found a little smiley face friend. But it smells so bad, but we're still gonna suck it up. We're walking and we are gonna take some really, really cool pictures. Oh, I'm not gonna step on that rock. Step here. But yeah, like, how pretty is this view, guys? I am currently walking back because I forgot my drink. Thank God we aren't that far because I'm super thirsty. And now I am walking back to where we're sitting to go get it. My mom's gonna be like, oh my God, of course you forgot it. But oh, this is so scary, guys. Oh my God, I'm so scared. This is actually so scary. Okay, we're almost done, CJ. And now I gotta walk back to go get it. Look at how pretty. I got my drink. And now, ew, there's flies. I don't know which rock to step on because now I'm gonna go back up to see Chloe. I don't know if you see Chloe, but there she is. Ah! I'm gonna fall, I'm gonna die. Not this rock. Oh, these over here look pretty good. Oh, gross. Stepping in water. It's icky, but look at how pretty. Alright, everybody. I safely, super safely actually, made it back to Chloe. Well, first I almost died because I really hurt my foot now. It hurts so badly and it's gonna become a bruise. But other than that, we're all good. And me and Chloe are walking. Look what I mean. I don't know if you can see it. There's a big bruise on my foot. Ah! Hi, Chloe. Say hi.
Hi.
Sisters.
Hi, sisters.
Are you guys seeing how pretty this view is? Uh-oh, 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 I'm gonna fall. Imagine if I just fell, but look at how beautiful this is. Hi guys, so we left the beach, didn't we, Chloe? Yes, we did. And we went to the store and show them your new sweatpants. Those are her new sweatpants that she got at the store. And I got something like that, but in red. Yeah, we're on our way home. Hello, everybody. We got home from the beach and Chloe is in the bathroom right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, they don't need to know you're in the bathroom though. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.